All right, fam. Now we ready to eat. Dig into this good old goodness. Jumbo lump crab.
Scalloped potatoes.
Scalloped potatoes. Yes. Then I don't know why I kept wanting to say potatoes are rotten, but it's scalloped potatoes.
I mean, that's the same thing. Go
I
by
guess.
both.
All right, let's dig into this. Cheesy.
Got some extra crumbles on top.
And voila, bam. There you have it. Now let me get my fork out.
Yeah, because they was looking for you for the last video to taste it.
Now I know I gotta do my taste. Now, Mom, did you shred up the what's the name, or you left it whole chunks?
What the
Crab meat.
No, I put it in the strainer because it still had a little bit of water in it from me freezing it. So I just put it in there and just squeezed it just a little bit, just to make sure it wasn't any water residue.
Hot.
Yeah.
I just had a crab chunk. That's good.
You taste it.
All right. So, tastes just like scalloped potatoes with crab meat in it. But it's good. It's a new twist. I ain't never had this before.
So how do you feel like the twist with the crab fries with this?
Okay, so my one critique would say, instead of using like a cheese sauce, just use the shredded cheese itself and let it melt into the dish.
Okay.
Right? But I do recognize that scalloped potatoes uses like a cheese sauce.
Yeah.
But the next time, yeah, I would love to try this on like a set of fries or something.
Okay. I see what you're saying.
Looks good, right?
Hold on, let me zoom you in real good. There you go.
That's good.
And I'm quite sure it's going to be better once it's set too, y'all. It's still piping hot right out the oven.
But yeah, y'all can try this for yourself. It's really good. We're going to catch y'all on the next one, right? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
And share.
Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Comment again. Then comment on that comment. And comment on someone else's comment. Let's get them likes up.
Yes, y'all.
We out.